Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. If you're brand to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. Also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up and also hit that notification bell so you know when I post videos. But this package right here is coming from a company that got in touch with me. They wanted my honest opinion on their product. So shout out to HeFeLuxx. So let's crack this open right here. I actually haven't seen these, but only what it shows on their website. So right here, they gave me 2 items, and also let's see what else is in here. That's pretty much it right here. So as you can see right here, this is like the main stuff that's, you know, what their product is, their main thing. Let me see what this one says. I have no idea what this thing is in here. Okay. Oh, they actually have extra stuff in here. Again, that is the company name right there, HeFeLuxx. You know, feel the difference. And again, their instructions on their product right there. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. And basically, these are the 2 things that they sent me. Basically, this one is, let's see what it has in it. I'm assuming one is the regular, and then one is the deluxe. You can kind of tell by how thick it is. Let me crack this open right here. That's one right there, and then this is the other one. This is probably the regular version. So I can tell that it is like a thinner. So as you can see, they are insoles. This is their deluxe version, and as you can see, the material looks similar to what Adidas uses, like the Boost. So as you can see, basically that is pretty much, you know, what, but it's like an insole for your shoe. And there are sizes. As you can see, you can cut it out basically from 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And I'm assuming they're gonna be doing bigger sizes because there are people with bigger feet. But that is that, and as you can see, this is like their normal version, and this is the deluxe right there. So you can see like the thickness and the difference. And if you take a look at the regular insoles of, for example, like on the Yeezy, that's the insole that you get, you know, compared to that right there, and definitely a lot more comfort from the feel of it right there. And then if you compare it to like an insole of an Air Jordan 1, which, you know, most people, you know, complain about as far as, you know, comfort wise. And again, that is what you get with the regular, you know, on an Air Jordan. These are like the off-whites, but as you can see, the thickness difference of the, you know, if you use the deluxe model, and this is like the regular. So, and again, these are supposed to be, you cut it out to your size so it better fits your shoe. But I'm gonna try it out, and after I actually try it out, then I'll give my honest opinion on the product. But again, shout out to HeFeLuxx for you know asking me to give my opinion on it. But again, that's them right there. And if I do think it's worth it, then I will have a discount code for my subscribers or whoever watches this video. So if you have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube, peace out.